Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is the newest generation of Škoda Auto's best-selling SUV, Kodiaq. It's a looker, isn't it? Designing spacious SUV models is challenging even for designers. And I have with me today Škoda Auto's head of design, Oliverja Stefanija, to explore the design of the new Kodiaq with me. Hi, Oliver.
Hi, Lauren. You're absolutely right. I mean, it's always a challenge to have so much space into elegant form. But, we love challenges at Škoda.
I can see that. Now, I really like the side silhouette with the sort of floating roof and the different colored D-pillar.
Yes, we were talking about spacious, and we tried to make everything to make the car look big, large, So that's why we have this line here on the top, the tornado line that really runs from the front wing to the rear. And also we have this floating roof line that you call this, all the way to the back, dropping down a little bit. And then we're stretching the D-low also by this element, in this D-post, very far to the back. So this also gives a lot of strength and a lot of size to the car. This all fits together to this nice looking like SUV.
Even though the new Kodiaq has grown dimensionally, it has better aerodynamics than the previous generation. How do you do that?
Well, it's very simple, Lauren. You have to guide the air. That's the reason. So when you look down here, you see on the side these air curtains. They are open. You can always see the wheel. So here the air goes in and will be directed to the side of the car. Everything guides the airstream onto the side of the car. This makes this good aerodynamic. But when you look also on this front, you see this impressive grille also in UDC chrome. The headlights, they have this typical Škoda layout from the 4i design. And we have the day running light on the top one. And very special for the Kodiaq, we connect this through the grille. It looks gorgeous at night, and you will see this. You will love this when you see it.
I noticed that the tail lights really play a dominant part in the design of the rear.
And it makes this rear looking really wide. This is also what we want to achieve. We were talking in the beginning of spacious, and stay. So that's why we made everything wide, low. And also what you see here is this loading edge, and the loading height is really low. So next to the cutting edge design that we see also in the interior, everything, of course, is about practicality and functionality. So if I start with the center console, you see there's no shift anymore because we moved the shifter behind the steering wheel, and it's pretty handy, I think, like this. And I would like to give you one word and one insight about the architecture of this interior. So what we call here is the architecture is double island. So because we have here this one island for the passenger and we have the other island for the driver. And you see this with the nice materials and this trim that we have here with the stitching. So it really makes a very elegant feeling in this car. It's really looking great, and I'm very proud of it.
Oliver, thank you so much for the tour. The new Kodiaq is more spacious, more practical, with a beautiful and brand new design on the inside and outside.
Well, Lauren, I couldn't say this any better.
Actually, I'm not sure I'm ready to give back the keys.
Okay, enjoy it.
Škoda.